the bun.
The old woman takes some flour, some sour cream, some butter and some water and makes a bun.
Ready, I put it on the window to cool. I cannot see the window. Santa walk.
The bun runs along the road and eats a hare.
Little bun, I went all into. Arden a fan from grandmother, from grandfather, from you little heart.
The bun runs along the road and meets a wolf.
Return bun, I want to eat you.
Arden a fan from grandmother, from grandfather, grateful.
The bun runs along the road and meets a bear.
Little bun, I want to eat you.
Arden a fan from grandmother, from grandfather, big bear.
The bun runs along the road and meets a fox.
Little bun, I want to eat you. Arden a fan from grandmother, from grandfather of the fox. What a nice song! But I am old and I cannot hear you well. Sit on my nose and sing your song again.
The bun jumps on the fox's nose and the fox eats it.